What's up, everybody? Short video on the hood exit exhaust. We're gonna see. Now, this versus a name brand hood exit exhaust. This is not a name brand hood exit exhaust. This is a custom fabricated hood exit exhaust. A hood exit exhaust. Okay. Number one thing done wrong, first off, is that we need the O2 bung pointed down. It's not enough saturated air, so there's too much. The air is pushing down in there, so it's hitting O2 sensor too soon. Needs to be down a little bit more. So we're gonna correct that and get that done. But other than that, it's pretty fucking cherry. Like, it's pretty goddamn clean. Just making this a short video for you guys to check out, and so you can see. Sounds pretty fucking mean, if you ask me. So, this video is just to show you guys that you don't have to do a hood exit exhaust. You don't have to do a megaphone exhaust. You can do a hood exit exhaust, and it actually does increase the acceleration and the throttle response time. My throttle response is way cleaner, way better, and the power is there. So it's just an update video to let you guys know that the K24A2 oil pump and K24A2 head will be getting installed in the next week or two. That'll be the K24A2 head and the K20A2 head and the K20A2 oil pump. Those will be getting installed next week, as of next week. And there's the cams for the K20. They're the cams for it. And here's the A2 oil pump here. If you guys haven't already seen that, then we're going to be getting that installed, as well as we have this, if I can get it open here, we have the AEM 320 performance fuel pump we'll be putting on there. And then, as you guys all know or have seen, Or maybe if you haven't and you just joined the video, appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe if you like. You don't really have to. It's all good. These are the green giants that I got. Fit right there in the stock manifold. And so those are the things we're going to be putting on there, as well as we're going to be putting GSR rear disc brakes on, because we have drums right now. And then we're going to be installing, as you guys all know or have seen, we're going to be installing the 10-pound flywheel with the OEM LSD diff. So much more to come. Please like, share, subscribe if you like. And you don't have to. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Terry out. Thanks for watching.